Yo, what's going on? Antonio Carter, Emancipation Occupation here. Another video about Maxbounty and Bing ads, showing you how to make $100 per day. This is part 4 in the series. Please go back and check it out to see all the progress that we've made so that you can actually walk along and make money with me. $100 per day methods, that's it. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Antonio Carter, welcome back. So in this video, this is just follow-up. This is part 4 of what I've previously made using Bing ads and Maxbounty, which is a crazy good affiliate marketing platform. They got tons of great offers on there and whatnot. And so you are on my Bing ads dashboard as of this moment, so that I can show you the results, show you what's going on with the clicks and whatnot, to see if we got sales or not, and really just being real with you guys, not really hiding anything. I'm just uncovering everything, the good, the bad, and the ugly. But before I go ahead and bump into this, look, I just created my first affiliate marketing course and it's free. I'm making it free for you guys. I reveal all types of stuff. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you real quick. This is from my other brand, AntonioXCarter.com, where I help business owners create an extra layer of income with affiliate marketing, but I'm giving it to you guys under Emancipation Occupation. Got a couple things going on if you have not noticed yet. So if you look here on the left hand side, I have a whole bunch of training for you guys. It is for free. I go into everything, how to use ClickFunnels, some of the basics when it comes to affiliate marketing, capturing emails, sending out emails for free, YouTube hacks, virtual summits, how to create free courses, Bing ads. Woo! I'm killing it. And I'm giving this all for you free, all to you guys. So make sure you go ahead below this video, download or click the link in order to download it. And it's totally free, guys. There's no tricks. I'm not charging money. It's not a temporary type thing or anything like that. So also go ahead, hit that subscribe button, because I provide great content for you guys, and you also get notified. Hit that bell icon next to it, and so that you could be notified every time I upload a video. And then also give me some likes, give me some thumbs up, guys, if this is good stuff that you're really enjoying, and drop me some comments below. If you got questions, if there's just something you want to say, please make sure that it's positive. Don't be negative. Don't be a troll. Don't be a loser. But all questions are welcome at the same time. Now let's go ahead and get up in here. As I said before, I've created 3 other videos when it comes to this. And what we did so far, we looked on Maxbounty together to find a winning offer. We also set up the campaign within Bing ads, Bing ads. And then we also connected our Bing ads stuff to ClickMagick. And that allows us to track all the clicks and everything, right? And it's on steroids. All the keywords within Bing ads, every single thing to the 9th degree. And now we're just dumping money in it and pretty much just running traffic in hopes that we get some sales and whatnot. So in the last video, we didn't get any sales. I actually did something else. We did a little bit of optimizing. And as we look into the keywords here, we minimized $1 to 90 cents. And we did that because I was getting high positions and I'm still getting high positions with 90-cent clicks. Now, depending on your niche or whatever, your market, whoever you're targeting, you're most likely not going to pay dollar clicks and whatnot, because this is having to do with working out and fitness. I mean, this is a very expensive niche, probably one of the most expensive next to like lawyers and attorneys, which you can pay up to $40 per click as a lawyer. But if you look here on the right, you see average position. I'm getting the 3rd position on Bing, almost the second. So we're still getting great positions. As I said before, I don't really care about the position as long as I'm getting clicks. So I can actually make this lower. I can try 50 cents. I really don't want to try 50 cents. I'd probably go down to maybe 80. And the purpose is to get the cheapest amount of clicks. Well, yeah, that you want to pay the cheapest amount for your clicks and still convert to sales. And as you see, I'm still getting clicks. Average cost per click is 70, 80 cents, 76. So this is kind of like the sweet spot. It seems like between 70 and probably 90 cents. I would probably try 80 to 85 cents. I would probably change this to maybe 85. See if I'm still getting good amount of clicks. And yeah, it's working out that way. And then the next thing to do. Oh, I also changed my budget to $5 a day. I don't remember if I did that in my video or not in the previous one. I changed it to $5 per day just so that I could see things kind of go slowly instead of just throwing a whole bunch of data at me all at once, because I'm doing so many different things right now. I'm really creating a lot of videos for you guys. So it's creating less work for me to spread it out like this. Otherwise, I'd be telling you, hey, just go ahead, throw $100 at it, see if you get sales or not. If you don't get no sales, probably move on to the next thing. The thing that I really want to show you guys for this video, let's go to Click Magic. I do not see any money here in the revenue. This is very annoying. Like I told you guys, I'm showing you the good, the bad, and the ugly. Everybody's not going to show you this. I could have easily paused this and waited like 2 days and recorded it until I got a sale and been like, hey guys, check out this sale for $96 and this is what's possible because yesterday I recorded a video. No, these guys are, I'm not going to say that they're all lying to you, but they know what they're doing. And we went together as to how to pick a product and figure out what's selling. I gave you some of like the qualifications and the criteria, and I want to show you real life scenarios. So guess what? Right now we don't have a sale, but I want to let you know that's okay as well. So the question is, do we continue to spend money on this campaign until we get a sale? Because if I get a sale, it's $96. However, I've spent probably about $120 so far, somewhere around that. And let me see if I can go back to my Maxbounty account. All right, this is the thing about Maxbounty. I got a couple of offers here. This is the one that we're promoting here, the Alkatone Keto Diet. 293 clicks with 0 leads. I already know an offer that I could find, and within 80 to 100 clicks, it's already producing sales. When I get that sale, it's only going to be like $20 to $30. However, I know that it works. This one is $96 per lead. And we also checked out and made sure that the clicks and stuff was good. So look, $96 per lead. And back in video 1, I believe it was, when we was trying to select the offers, I want to make sure that you have a high earnings per click. So 89 cents per click. Technically, if I open up my calculator here, we do 89 cents times 100 clicks, that's $89. In order to get $96 per lead, I would probably take a couple more clicks. So, I mean, in theory, by now, if I sent 200 clicks, in theory, I'm supposed to have made about $178 in theory. Now, it's not always like this. It's kind of like a rule of thumb, kind of like an averaging type of thing. But the point is, I sent nearly 300 clicks. I should at least have, according to their statistics, 1 sale. So this leads to a couple of questions. Is my traffic that I'm sending fake? Is it bad? Yada, yada, yada. Is the product even good? And these are the things that you have to keep in mind, because I don't know who puts up the network EPC. I don't know if Maxbounty controls that or not, or if the publisher, the person who makes the product, gives Maxbounty these numbers. I assume that's what it is. I assume it's the latter. So maybe it's really not 89 cents per click. Whatever the case may be, we go back to Click Magic. And once again, I have an affiliate link for this. If you choose to use it and you get a membership, I do get a commission from it. But I highly recommend you use Click Magic for this purpose. So when I go back down here, and this is just for the past 7 days, but I'm going to click unique clicks. And again, I see all these keywords. Now, I'm not going to go through all the keywords and figure out what's working best, what words are getting the most clicks, because I could do that here. But the point that I really want to drive home to you is I have not created a lead yet out of 300 plus click, or nearly 300 clicks. And so I can either refine my Bing ads traffic to really struggle to get that one sale. Then after I get that one sale, I can see what word works and kind of optimize from that point. But guys, I'm going to be 110% honest with you. You don't need to do that. I really want this to work. I really want to prove that I can drive traffic to this product and get a sale. However, my rule of thumb is generally after about 200 clicks, if you still haven't gotten a sale, it's most likely a product that you're going to spend more money on than most in order to get sales. So the alternative to this, since this is not really working like that, the alternative to this is, instead of direct linking, is to create a capture page, because I can just about guarantee you out of 300 clicks, I would have had probably a fourth of those individuals convert over into like an opt-in page, get something for free, and then with email traffic, I can convert them on an offer within 7 to 10 days, worst case scenario, 30 days. And it doesn't even have to be this product from Maxbounty. It could be a whole nother product that I could send to them. Maybe it doesn't even have to be from Maxbounty. It can be from ClickBank or JVZoo. This is the mentality that you have to have as an affiliate marketer. So there's a lot of things to learn from this, of what I'm teaching you guys. I'm probably not going to make any more with this particular series. I really want to show you guys that, you know, you could get results, but I've done that in some of my other videos, you know, and that's why I'm not really too worried about it. If you just go back over, you can see some of my conversions that I made with ClickBank, a product on ClickBank, and I was getting a conversion per day, which is awesome. And so eventually you want to get a conversion and multiple conversions per day to get up to that $100 per day strategy that I've been talking about. So, you know, I'm not going to say sorry, because this is real life. This is what happens. And all you got to do is just keep cranking at it. Because once you find that one word that continues to make sales, all you got to do is make another campaign. And every time you get a conversion within your original campaign, you take those keywords and put it within your best selling keywords campaign. And you just continue to add more and more words in there. And you'll notice that those will be the money makers over and over and over again. So that's going to be it for part 4. Definitely really think about investing into Click Magic. This thing works wonders, especially once you start seeing sales in here. And once you start seeing that revenue number pop up that I showed you earlier that was showing 0, it is one of the best feelings in the world. It shows you that you're a success and that what you've put together is actually working. That puts you way ahead of people who are just simply watching a video. So which person are you? Are you just somebody who watches videos? Or are you somebody who takes action and you're going to get results? I can guarantee you, if you continue doing it, you will get results. You don't have to spend $25 a day. You don't have to spend $100 a day. You can spend $5 a day on Bing ads. And I promise you, you tweak things, you use Click Magic, you use Bing ads correctly, all of that, you read your data, and you will be efficient at generating phenomenal results. Don't forget, guys, my free affiliate marketing course. Click that below. There's a couple of things actually I got down there. You got the affiliate marketing course, the free one that I created that you need to sign up for. I give you a course as well. I provide an affiliate link for a Bing ads course that I've taken that's kind of helped me with my Bing ads skills. And so that's below as well. Lastly, if you really want to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level, I provide a #1 system that I've incorporated in my business as well. And that link is also below. Go ahead, check it out. That's a free course, or it's free content for you to check it out. It doesn't cost you anything. So click all of those links, see what works best for you if you're interested in moving forward with affiliate marketing and with Bing Ads in specific, and take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. If you're interested in capture pages, I recommend that you use GetResponse. GetResponse is a awesome platform that helps you send emails automatically. Haven't made anything on that, but I actually think I did something within my free affiliate marketing course on that. So check that out. All right, guys, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you like this content. Continue to follow along the journey. Emancipation Occupation, Antonio Carter. We out.